trying to and I said that appreciate y'all. Yeah, man, I'm going pop that rocket. Yes, sir. Gotta go get this money. Gotta go get this money. Money. Gotta get this money. No cap, bro. Hooked up some breakfast today, y'all. Thumbs up. Good for this. You already know. Appreciate y'all. No cap. Appreciate y'all. Keep up the good work. My bro. What's up with it? Yeah, I go check out my boy Popcorn channel. He on the network. You already know, y'all. You already know how we do. We show that on everybody's channel. You did. So yeah, appreciate everybody, y'all. No cap. But yeah, go check out my boy. You know what I'm talking about. Networking. You already know. Damn. You already know. It's all about being a brother. Damn, that's a big ass bird. Shit. Motherfucker big. Like that big. Pick me up, y'all. Big bird. Big bird, y'all. No cap. Go check out my video, y'all. No cap. Yeah, no, they play. No game. No game. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm finna drop like, I don't know. I'm finna drop something. No cap. So I'm gonna get ready. You finna get serious. No cap, y'all. Yeah. So yeah, y'all keep up the good work. They chicken wing, y'all. We ain't playing. Y'all on them haters. You can do it. And keep up the motivation, y'all. I told y'all. Keep up the motivation. It is. Yeah. Already, y'all. So keep up the good work. No game, y'all. We the best. No cap. I can't hear you. I'm the best. Cause I claim it. You. So y'all claim that shit and rock out. When I pop out and I see y'all live, y'all already know I'm trying to catch up on it. You already know, y'all. Shit. Hey. So yeah, y'all. Pop that rock out. Y'all already know how we rock and shit. I'm from State Pop, y'all. So get ready. Y'all don't see me. Don't worry. I got my other two channels. I'm gonna get them bitches popping too, y'all. Okay. So y'all get ready. I'm gonna have a Dallas, Texas channel. Boom. Popping. Cooking with Love channel popping. And then I'm gonna get my what? Good and music and more channel popping, y'all. So yeah, get ready, y'all. We finna have all. Y'all see them out in the description. Y'all see all them channels right there in blue? Those are my channel. Go subscribe to them, y'all. Okay. Yeah, you see, cooking with love, that's me. You know, to my music and more, that's me. You hear me? No cap, y'all. So go subscribe, y'all. No cap, man. I'm telling you, we finna run them up anyway. So if you don't, somebody else will anyway. I'm gonna be one. I'm gonna pop them. You hear me? Then I'm gonna pop the other channel, y'all. We finna act food, y'all. You hear me? Personality sale. I'm gonna show y'all that shit. No cap. You hear me? We ain't playing no games. Wow. So watch. I'm gonna be on this food. Be on this channel acting food. Why? Cause I'm gonna be myself. That's why. So yeah, y'all get ready. You hear me? You ain't got a thumbs up, y'all. I'm gonna pop in and go. You did. But you don't like somebody else with. Check me. One hater don't start no show. You hear me? It just motivate. So yeah, y'all. Checkmate. Let's get it. So I appreciate everybody, y'all. No cap. I just want to let y'all know I'm gonna have my other channels popping. So yeah, y'all. We ain't playing no game. So yeah. Click on the channel, y'all. Look, y'all.